many talents. Marinette came from a family full of talent. Her mother
Ama
was a martial artist,
biz
her father a baker,
yapıyor.
her grandmother a fashion designer, and her grandfather a game developer. Growing up, she was skilled in everything from baking and designing to gaming and martial arts. Conflicted about her future, she found guidance from an old Chinese healer whom she helped one day. He introduced her to the world of Chinese medicine, helping her discover her true calling. She became a doctor, opening her own clinic and earning a
Ama
reputation for her unique treatments.
evet.
Later, she met Adrian, the grandson of the healer she once helped. He was also a doctor, and together, they combined their knowledge to treat rare diseases. Their professional partnership turned into love, and they eventually married. Marinette's success was not just in medicine but also in love and family, proving that one could have it all with the right